is Sunday, 3 a.m. Fixing to go to the duck blind. I'm pretty freaking excited. Let's wake the neighborhood up. Love a cold start. So, on our way over to Gavin's house, this is my first duck hunt, and I may not show emotions as well as others, but I'm pretty freaking excited. I probably had an hour's sleep last night because all I could think about was shooting my first duck. And they've been going to this place several times now, and they pulled out some really pretty wood ducks. I'm just hoping I get to kill a really nice drake. If I do, I'm getting it mounted. That's all I can think about. I can't wait. We're on our way over. It is 3:20 in the morning. It's 27 degrees. Holy smokes, at the buck right there. Good God. Bad thing about where I live at is deer love to run out in front of your vehicle. I have to show you a picture of my truck in the daylight. I'm gonna wait till after deer season, probably mid-spring, to put my truck in the shop to get it fixed. I have hit, I think, 5 deer since deer season. Just back country road, 2-lane road in the middle of the night. They like to run out in front of you. I watch the road as much as I can, but way down here in the country, a lot of these, I don't know if there's not enough hunters or what, but they like to run right out in front of your truck. I've hit 2 head on, one down the side of my truck, one hit me in the back fender. As I passed, one run up out of the ditch and hit me. So, old Silverado's a little ugly, but she's still kicking, so it really don't matter. I'm gonna put it in the shop and get a ranch hand put on it, and then I'm not gonna slam on brakes anymore. I'm just gonna run them slam over. But back to the duck hunt. I'm really excited. I don't know. Headed to the duck spot. Got Cody Lee and Gavin. I think we're pretty decked out today. Feels like it's about 27 degrees. The beginning of the weekend, we go hard Friday. Friday to Saturday, we go hard. Yeah. And we're going to do a beef hunt. He talking about he made a deal with God, and then he said, but I ain't live up to my end of the deal, and he took everything I had. Got Gabby here, Cody Lee. We got about, what did y'all say, about 30 minutes? Yep. 30 minutes till shooting light. And then we're going to be on an absolutely beautiful morning. We just had our morning prayer. We're ready to roll. Come on, duckies. That's geese. Did you hear it? Yeah. Geese down on the pond. I heard it. What? Oh, I can't thank you enough. I'm so freaking happy to be doing this. Oh, this is going to be amazing. I can't wait. How far are we from the river? Not too far. Oh, what? Really pretty dam right here. Probably a mile. 2 miles, get that. So we're pretty close. Oh yeah. Come on, birds. We need you this morning. Geese honking again down there. I'm walking my family. 3 minutes till shooting. Now you can see them. We excited. My first duck hunt. Oh, it's gonna be good. Come in 3 of them. Flanking us today, buddy. that way. Damn. Somebody got him. Ducks, 4 of them, coming right over the top. Right over the top of the tree. Yeah, they probably should have waited on that one.
I got one of them.
Did we?
Feathers just fell.
I didn't hear him hit.
I didn't hear him hit the water. There's feathers falling there.
Damn sure he is.
Yeah, one of them.
We have to look for him. May landed on the ground.
We have to look for him.
Yeah, they come out of the fog right over there. Well, the hunt was actually pretty cool. We didn't get to kill anything. We shot, knocked the feathers off one of the ducks. We looked all through the swamp, couldn't find it, so I guess we didn't take it down. Had several geese fly in. We ended up walking up on some. Just didn't work out, but I'm addicted. I knew I would be. Just the sound of the birds flying in. We had 3 flying right off the bat. You can hear it in the video. And then like a minute, 2 minutes later, 4 flew back toward us. And then the fog started rolling in pretty heavy. And after the fog got heavy, we had 3 come in and they turned right before they got in shooting range. So what was that, 3, 4? I think we saw like 9 or 10 ducks and like 7 or 8 geese in the total. So we had a pretty good day. Like I said, we didn't bring any home, but we're gonna do it again. We all really wanted to knock one down, but we didn't. Hate to end the video like that, but we're gonna go again. We're shooting for in the morning. We're gonna try another buddy of mine's pond. He's got camera video, ducks on the water. So stay tuned for more.